I'm really excited to open up this Artisan Series 10-inch bread knife from Cutluxe. It comes really beautifully packaged, and this is going to be great to cut my sourdough bread. I make sourdough bread every week, so it also gets really tough to cut because it's really crusty. And look at this. So opening this for the first time, we get a little card here, a booklet for care, and also a little cloth to clean the knife. And it comes with a little foam protector. And here is the knife here. That is a really nice long knife. It has a plastic sleeve to protect it and a nice weight to it. Like the handle here. So it's got a really nice handle, a nice weight, and really sharp blade. So let's give that a try. This razor sharp serrated blade just glides through this crusty loaf with ease, and it creates nice clean slices with very few crumbs. It's crafted from premium high carbon German steel for lasting performance, and the full tang ergonomic pakawood handle feels comfortable and secure in my hand. I really appreciate it. Also has a lifetime warranty. What I really like about the knife is that it is really long. With a 10-inch blade, I can cut through a bigger bread. The round breads are a little bit more difficult to cut, and you can see that it has a crusty top. So this will just cut straight through it without squishing the bread down. So as you can see, it has the crust on the bottom, and it cuts really nice right through that as well. Thank you to Cutluxe for sending me this great artisan bread knife.